Unlocking empathy. Understanding deepest sympathies. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to help you communicate more effectively and empathetically. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase that carries a lot of weight in English: deepest sympathies. Understanding this expression is crucial not just for language learning, but for connecting with others during their most challenging times. So, let's get started and unpack the layers of meaning, usage, and the context behind this powerful expression. The phrase, deepest sympathies, is used to express a profound level of sorrow and compassion towards someone who is experiencing grief or hardship, especially due to the loss of a loved one. The word deepest serves to intensify the sentiment, indicating that the speaker's feelings of sympathy are as strong and heartfelt as possible. This expression is commonly found in condolence messages, sympathy cards, and during solemn occasions. When to use it? During times of mourning. It's most appropriate to use this phrase when someone has lost a friend, family member, or loved one. In formal settings, deepest sympathies is suitable for formal letters, emails, or messages of condolence. How to use it? In writing, you might start a sympathy card or letter with, "I would like to express my deepest sympathies." Verbally, in a conversation, you can say, "My deepest sympathies for your loss." Remember, the tone of voice and context in which you use this phrase are as important as the words themselves. It's a way to show genuine care and support. While deepest sympathies is a widely accepted and understood expression in English-speaking countries, it's essential to approach situations of grief with cultural sensitivity. Different cultures have various traditions and expressions for showing sympathy. Variations. My condolences, a more general expression but similarly heartfelt. You are in my thoughts, prayers. This can be more appropriate if you know the person's religious beliefs or if they are open to such expressions. Understanding the bereaved person's background and comfort can guide you in choosing the most appropriate expression of sympathy. Expressing deepest sympathies is more than just following social etiquette. It's about conveying genuine compassion and solidarity in someone's time of sorrow. We hope this video has helped you understand not only the meaning of this phrase but also the deep empathy it represents. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its power to connect us, especially in the moments that matter most. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay empathetic, and see you in the next video.